Do you have a Honda vehicle that has vibration issues where the steering wheel vibrates either at higher speed or while braking? In this video, I'll show you what I did that resolved that issue, and now I no longer have vibration in this vehicle. To resolve the issue, I started out by having the wheels check out. So had the balancing done, alignment done, had somebody look at suspension components, everything checked out. And then finally, the main problem that I found was, that I fixed, is the rotors in this vehicle are just bad rotors. They warp. And you go to a Honda place or any shop, they're gonna machine it, but then they'll make the rotor thinner, so the problem comes back right away. Or they replace it with another Honda rotor. And you're replacing one problem with another, and the vibration comes back again. Because when there's vibration, when the rotor is warped at higher speed, even a little bit of vibration is going to transfer in through the suspension components into the steering wheel, and you're going to feel it. And at higher speed, you feel it more, because the little bit of vibration is going to become quite a bit of vibration. So the solution is replace the rotors, and not just with any rotor. I replaced with made in Japan rotors. Once I did that, it fixed the issue. There is no vibration anymore. It's gone. I bought the Mountain brand brake disc rotor only because it is made in Japan with the hope that it will be a better quality product. The part number is HR73, and the made in Japan is written all over the box and also on the rotor itself. Now, nothing too spectacular about the rotor. It's just a nice clean rotor. However, on the back of the box is the actual manufacturer name, which is Nishioka Malleable Iron Industry Company Limited. I did an online search for the company name and was able to find their website. So when I go there, also very pleased to know that they have been in business for about 70 years. And also, when I go to the product section, the brake rotors is actually one of their specialties. They make engine parts, and as their name suggests, they make metal components. So overall, I mean, this makes me really happy, because companies that specialize in making a particular product usually have a very high quality product. Now, this is totally chance for me, because I didn't know the company name, but overall, I'm glad that I found these Mountain brand brake rotors. I had these Mountain brand brake rotors installed along with new Honda brake pads. Got the work done at the Honda dealer. Got it done when the vehicle had about 80,000 miles on it. That was back in August 2018. At the time, the Honda dealer was running a special for about $149 to get new brake pads installed. And I asked them, hey, while you're doing the work, can you install my new Mountain brand rotors? They said, no problem. And that's where you see this comment, the customer has own rotors. So with the new Honda brake pads installed, and that's the part number on the brake pads, I'll put that in the description of the video. With the work completed, all in all, about $170 is what I paid. And these Honda brake pads with these Mountain brand rotors, I've had no problems with them, and they've worked perfectly. I'm going about 75 miles an hour right now, and the car has, and this Honda Odyssey has about 104,000 miles approximately. You can see there's absolutely no vibration in the steering wheel. I don't have my hand on it, so I can stay in the lane, but there's no vibration in the steering wheel. I've used these Mountain brand brake rotors for about 2 years, 25,000 miles. And the vibration issue has not come back. So I'm really happy with the results. In my other vehicle, the Honda Accord 2007, I had the same vibration issues. At that time, I had rotors replaced. Those were Brembo rotors, but they were made in Italy. So overall, in my experience, a good quality rotor does help resolve the vibration issue. I hope this information helps. Thanks for watching.